Hi everyone, and welcome to another Reiki session. How are you all doing today? So today we're going to do something a little different. We had some issues last time with the chakra video. For some reason, when I took it from here and I moved it over there. So next time we're doing something a little different. But today I did keep on promising you, and voila, we have sun. The power of the sun is much stronger. See, I would go out there and just engulf that sun. That sun is strong, pure rays. So today is the sun's energy, begone everything else, right? So the sun energy is going to heal you right now, and me as well. Sun hits me, I send it to you. Channel it to you. I channel it to you, because that's the purest energy there is. The power of the sun makes plants grow, makes you thrive. The vitamin D from that makes you feel good inside. You see, it works both ways. I know sometimes people wear sunglasses, it's blinding. Yeah, it can blind your eyes. But the thing is, you don't have to look directly into it. You close your eye and take the third eye and look at it. I see yellow, so that's not bad. I don't want to see red. That's too much negative. So it's time again to get healed. And this is a continuous thing. You just don't watch a video and, oh, that's it. No, it's continuously. Everybody has, issues. It's not your fault that you have issues. Some of you are depressed. Some of you are stressed. Some of you have anxiety. Well, everybody gets anxiety. And everybody gets stressed. But you know how to control it. And that's what it is. You have to control yourself. Self-control. Control yourself. Self-confidence. Self-awareness. Self-motivation. You want to aspire. You want to be better. You want to stand out. You want to, when you walk into a room, everybody says, oh my goodness, look at her. Look at him. Hey, he got his life together. Well, it takes time to get that life together. It's not easy. It depends. If you've got arguments going on, listening to this, it's tough. Get up on a quiet place, and it's cold outside. You can't go in your vehicle, and you can't go to the park, and you can't go to a quiet place. A lot of places, it's like you're trapped. You feel trapped, aren't you? You want a better life. You want something better in your life. Maybe that right guy, that right girl, or that right significant other, or your partner, whatever, you favor, will be there for you. Will come out there and say, hey, grab you and give you a different life. Living on an island, relaxing. Don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about bills. You don't have to worry about the government. You don't have to worry about anything. You're in a peace and harmony. And that's what I focus on. I focus on a planet where it's just water. It's nice warm water, and then the bottom of the ocean there, right next to my island, yes, my perfect island, is the tree of life. The tree of life. That's a healing. I like to swim in the ocean when I can, but lately, since the virus, I can't do a lot of things. We have a brand new pool, not here at the community. I can't go in it. If I had a proper gear for my head, I should have got that. I didn't get it. So to protect my eyes and my face, I can just go swimming. I wouldn't care who's in the pool with me. But, I can't. So I have to, like this. Oh, I go out and I do take care of business and stuff like that, and do my rounds and stuff, I do inspections. I like doing that. I'll get back into it. But, I gotta do what I gotta do. But I'm here trying to help you. Because a lot of you contact me and you want a lot of things. Hey, can you focus on this? Can you focus on that? Can you focus on that? But we have to do it as a group. Right now, I'm talking to you as an individual. But everybody looks at these videos and say, well, I have this problem. Let me watch this video. That's pretty much what's happening. And if I do a video for everything, then your mind will have to say, gee, is it from what I'm going on now? Yeah. So there's different videos for different things. But right now the world is upside down. And you can't worry about that. This inflation that's bothering a lot of people. Things cost more in the store. It affects me too, just as it affects you. I get generic paper towels and the stuff you use for the toilet. Yeah, they gone up in price. Those 50 cents for those no name. It's black and white. There's no name on it. It's just no name product. I like buying those because it's cheaper. I don't follow the norm buying expensive paper towels and buying the bundles and spending $30 and $40 for all that. It's a lot of stuff. Let's get 6 paper towels and the 4-pack, what, which has gone up to 94 cents. Ouch! It's been 58 cents. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, and that's society. Next time you go into a grocery store and you have to get something, maybe you should change your mind and get something else. Well, I know you want that product, right? But you ever thought about something else that you wanted but you couldn't get? But everything's high. Everything's sky high. I like to eat unsalted peanuts, and those are the only ones that don't have no chemicals and no monoxide and no dextrin and all that other stuff that's not good for you, and all the dyes and everything. See, all those dyes go in your body and make you feel bloated, make you feel unhappy, because you don't know what the side effects of those dyes do, and all those dextrin and monoxidant and all these chemicals. Why can't just have, if it's chips, corn chips, just say corn and chip and the oil to make it, and real flavoring, not natural or simulated flavoring. And they have a whole bunch of ingredients. And those are the foods to stay away from because you don't know what it is. They use substitution to make the product cheaper, sell it for more. In the olden days, it was just Doritos. It would just say Doritos on it. It was Oreos. It would just say Oreo. They got a whole big list of things. It's a shame. Everything's changed. Ice cream, occasionally, not all the time. Man, everything's gone up. I see that, and that makes you sad. Makes you uncomfortable. You can't sleep. You're worried about, are you going to make the bills? Can you pay the bills? Can you pay your credit cards? Can you pay your, whatever that is, whatever you owe? You have maybe took a loan out and you have to pay it back, and you can't pay it back. You have no money. It's tough. But hey, we all have internet. We all have cell phone. We all have something to look forward to in life. And you look forward to me to make these videos to get you going again. And that's why I'm here. So this is a video. We're not going to really do anything fancy. The power of the sun is making you heal. That's right. And I put the glowing green in the back on to know that you want to be green. Green, you close your eyes, open your third eye, and you see green. Positive energy. Positive. So let's take this moment to ground. Take a couple of deep breaths. Just follow me. We're going to be doing together because I needed to. Relax. I feel better. I want to feel better. I want to feel self-control. I want to feel confident. I want to feel great. I want to feel happy. I don't want to feel sad. I want to feel positive. I want to feel great. The sun is strong. The power of the sun is in this room. No lighting. One light is green. This is the light of the sun. I pull back the curtains and let the sun on. And I have a little protection here because it would be really on top of me. And then you couldn't see me because the glare. And that's the problem with that. Sometimes in the summer, we'll go outside and we're going to heal together. I put the camera there, and you'll see my plants that I planted from. There's a branch that I cut off a tree, and I'm Mr. Green Thumb. But I said, you gotta go with the flow. You gotta feel good, okay? So again, relax, relax, relax. Stand still. Imagine the green or the light, the golden light, or the bright light there on top of your head, or that light, whatever light you want. Imagine that on top of your head right now. Let it go down you, all the way down, all the way down, down through your arms, down to your body, right down to your legs. And keep your legs planted tighten up your body. Right, just tighten it up. Tighten it up. Just tighten it. Mm-hmm. Now, take a deep breath. Hold it. Now send it light back through your body, out through your head, and then release. Good. Don't you feel good? But I want you to feel good because you need to feel that goodness in your heart. You want to feel that way in your life again. You want to feel whole again. You want to feel you again. Mm-hmm. On the microphone, deep voice, sounds good. I do it on my other ASMR channel. I think it to reach people can feel the deepness of my voice, and you can hear me a little clearer. But the thing is, on this channel, we're healing you by my words, the power I have inside me, the healing, the sunlight hitting you, taking you to you, plugging out that negative out of you, pulling it out, pulling that negative out, pulling that negative out, pulling that negative out, pull. So, you should feel much relaxed. You should feel much toned down. Tuning fork. Frequency healing. Hear it? Like that soothe you, let that relax you. Good, right? Mm-hmm. Hear it, let it soothe you. Let it hear the sound go through your ears. Let it feel good. Let it neutralize you. Calm you down. Calm down. Relax. Relax. You need to relax. Let's do it one more time. Relax. Relax. Calm down. Calm down. Relax yourself. Okay, one more time. Relax. 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 Calm yourself down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Let the tone bring you down. Bring it down. Okay. Have a glass of water today. Do something different. Stop drinking the soda, the coffee, and all that stuff. Coffee, all that does is stimulate you. But it can make you hyper, anxiety. It make you like you're just flying all over the place. Relax yourself. Relax yourself. Do something different today. Yeah, drink some water. Purified water. You can do it yourselves, Yeah, Walmart, Amazon, you go in the plumbing section and you look down on the ground. I know what they put in the bottom. The filters. You have carbon filter. You have a filter with some kind of string on it. Then you have this styrofoam. It's not styrofoam. It's you get 2 of those. They last 1 year. Mm-hmm. If you don't have the container to put it in, you have to order online. So it's a faucet filter. It goes on the top. It connects to the top. So you still can wash your dishes. You just have a little valve in between. Try not to get the plastic valve because they tend to pop and break. There's a metal, but it comes from China and you have to wait for it to come. That's the only drawback. I have one of those. It took a long time, almost a month and a half before I can get it. I don't know. It went to China and then it went to New Jersey. It's weird. But I use that for drinking water. I have the carbon ones. They're cheaper. They look like mesh. Yeah, I'll show you. They look like this. That's what they look like. Well, not like the mic, but that's what it is. And those are not pure carbon. They usually been carbon blocks, but they cut costs, charge you the same, and they put carbon paper. That doesn't really last long. How does it taste? It might taste like carbon in the beginning. See, I don't know if it's synthetic or what are they doing. You're better off buying the other product that lasts 6 months. Those carbon things last 3 months or 2 months, really 1 month. Once hot water goes through them, they damage it. But the other one, it's better. It's white with the rings. It rings around it. You can't miss it. Yeah. Get that. Get 2 of those. 1 year. Kitchen's done. If you can, do the bathrooms too. You need a faucet that has a screw that comes off, and you can put a faucet filter there. And you have filters advantage. So when you brush your teeth and you gargle your mouth, you filter water in your mouth much better. See how I smile? And you can get stain remover too, like charcoal. You can get any charcoal toothpaste you want. There's one brand now, the other brand now. There's 2 competitions. They have both getting the C in there. They both have it. But they're expensive. But it does get the white off. It takes 100% off the stain off your teeth. Make sure you buy something that says 100% stain removal, okay? Or you get those whitening strips if your teeth are really yellow. And you leave that on, they say an hour. I say 3 hours, then take it off. And then brush your teeth again, or gargle it out. Yeah. And eventually your teeth will look white again. But white teeth makes you feel more confident in yourself. Keep your hair groomed, comb back, cut and trim. You feel better. Shave that mustache, beard, whatever it is, or facial hair. You feel good. Some people like a lot of hair, but you gotta think. The person you're after, do they like that too? I know you can't please everybody. Should you change your appearance? Say you have gray in your hair, but you think it's cool, but the other person saying, "Oh, he's too old for me." But maybe you're young and you're premature gray. You got to think about these things. You got to look. Feel like you want to be fit. You have the right to feel the way you want to be. Just remember that. Okay. This session is going to be very short because I want you to pay attention and focus. All right. So, like I said, thanks again for watching. If you like this video, do thumbs up and do support the channel by subscribing. I want the channel to hit over 1,000 and beyond. I'm going to do this forever. We're not going to stop. All right. I'll be around for a long time, or I already know when my end is near. I did pass away, and the Supreme Being, or the Source, you want to call it, said it wasn't my time yet. I said, "Are you sure?" And boom, I went back into my body. And I woke up, and there was a guy standing over me. He said, "Oh my God, we couldn't get you up. We thought you were dead. You were gone for 15 minutes. Wow. A long journey through the tunnel and the light and being in the middle and seeing the family and friends wave like this. So you're in the middle and you look to your left and they'd be waving and cheering you on. Everything's there. Pets too. Man, what a world. It's not the earth, it's someplace else. But only your spirit goes there. Your body stays here. I've been there, so I've experienced. That's why I don't fear death. I don't fear nothing. Can't. You gotta think the next day is gonna be better. And right now, that's what this is. This video is about the sun. The sun hitting on you. So sun helping you make everything be gone. That's what we just do. Okay? Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget to support me. And take care for now. Bye for now. Oh. Shantae.